Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back again to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to add multiple user profile to macOS step by step, whether it's for family members, co-workers, or just a separate profile for your work and fun. This guide will help you set it up effortlessly. But before we dive in, if you are new to the channel, this is Sakes Infotech, where we always simplify tech for you. Please don't forget to support the channel by smashing on the subscribe button, liking the video, and turning on the bell notification for more tech tips. I really appreciate your support. Now let's get started. So to add multiple user profiles to macOS, let me first open my macOS, which I have is installed in my virtual machine. And then I'll click on System Preferences, okay? So at the System Preferences, I'll double click on Users and Groups. So this is where I can add the profiles, okay? You can see I have only one user who is the admin somewhere, okay? So to add another profile or another user to the macOS, we are going to first unlock the padlock so that we can make changes to the Mac. So let me put in my password. Then I'll click on unlock. So now to add another user, you click on this plus sign. Okay, so let me click on the plus sign. You see add a user account. So I'll click on that. And then I'll give a name to my user. So I'm naming my user Kwejo. So the new account is a standard account. You can change it to be group account. You can make it admin. You can manage by but for the purpose of this tutorial, we are creating a standard account. Okay. Then the moment I click inside, it will give the account name, okay, as Kwejo. So let me input the password for the user account. So I'll verify the password again. So I'll give a password hint. So in case I don't remember the password, then I can quickly go back to the hint and then grab the password. So let me give a password hint. Then I will click on create user account. Okay, create user account. So you see now we have Kwejo as a standard user, okay, and we have Samo as the admin. So now we are going to also enable the guest user account, okay. So we'll be having 3 accounts, which will be Samo, Kwejo, and then guest account. So I'll click on the guest account, guest user, and then I'll check this box, allow guests to log on to this PC, okay, and then we are good to go, okay. So you can also allow guest user to connect to a shared folder. If you have a shared folder, you can allow the guest user to connect to the shared folder. So I'll close this user account dialog box or window, and then I'll log out from the admin, okay, which is Samo. So I'll log out from the Samo, and then we see what happens, okay. So I'm logging out from Samo. So you see, the moment I log out from Samo now, I have 3 accounts. Kwejo, which I created as a standard user, and Samo, who is the admin of the system, and then a guest user. So let me log into Kwejo. So I'm logging into Kwejo, okay. So it's creating the interface for Kojo. Okay, that's the reason why it's taking that much time. And Kojo is, you see, is the first time of Kojo's logging on. So let me click on continue. So he's setting up Kojo. No, I don't have Apple account. So um, so set up later. Then I'll click on skip. But if you have an Apple account, you can use your Apple account to log in. Okay. So I need to select the desktop appearance for Kojo. Okay, or the background for Kojo. So let me go with the dark, and then I'll click on continue. So he's setting up Kojo's account. Okay. So you see, it's very straightforward. So you can create a different user account for your work. You can create a different user account for your family member. You can create a different user account for fun. Okay. So this is Kojo's interface. So you see how Kojo's interface looks like. So you see, so Kojo can browse the internet by using Safari. So it's very easy and straightforward to set up a user profile in macOS. Please, if you find value in this video, kindly support the channel by smashing on the subscribe button, liking the video, and turning on the bell notification for more tech tips. I really appreciate that support. Okay. So you see, this is Kojo's interface. So you see, this brings us to the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye for now.